Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to automate product demo invitations with JotForm and Google Sheet. When any new form submission can be done through your JotForm, then automatically one product demo invitation will be sent to your user's Gmail account and also store their leads into your Google Sheet. For that, we are going to connect our JotForm to the Gmail and the Google Sheet, and that will be done with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of doing an automation in where we can connect our JotForm account to the Gmail and the Google Sheet, that whenever any new form submission can be done through my JotForm, then automatically one demo invitation will be sent to the Gmail account of my users, and all their information that they were provided while filling the form will automatically added into my Google Sheet. So now I'll give you a quick review about how this automation will work and how this automation will used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have already created before into my JotForm account. Here you can see it will ask me to share the details, that is name, gender, phone number, email and the company name. Here I am going to enter the test details, that is the first name as test, last name as user. After that, the gender I select as female and adding one test number here. After that, in this email box I am going to add the email address as patm@pabblytudes.com. After that, in this company name I am going to enter as Pabbly. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. Here you can see my form is submitted successfully. Now I am going to show you my email account. Here you can see it will provide me the customized message which include my name that I have given as test user and one link to schedule a demo. Now I am going to show you my Google Sheet. See, I have received the response immediately of all the details that I have provided while filling the form, that is the first name as test, last name as user, one test contact number and the email address that I provide as patm@pabblytudes.com and the company name I provide as Pabbly. So if you want to do this type of automation that whenever any new form submission can be done through your JotForm, then automatically one personalized invitation mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account without you doing any manual effort, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that helps you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this is right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are doing an automation, and that will done with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking access now button. So this right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. And in this folder section you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the name to your folder in this field. Also select the parent folder from here. As we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. When you click on it, it will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is modern, faster and more flexible, while the another one is the classic version that is used for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. You can see it will provide me one create workflow box where I am going to write my workflow name as, that is send product demo invitations via emails automatically for JotForm leads and log responses in Google Sheet. After that, in the select folder option, I am going to select the folder as Pabbly Connect that I already created before. After that, I'm going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger application. For that, I'm going to click on this plus option where you can see it will ask you to select the app. Here I'm going to choose my trigger application as Jotform, so I am searching it. Here I selected. After that, you have to select the app event that I select as new response. After that, you have to click on this button. Then you can see it will provide you one webhook URL that you have to copy from here. It will also mention the step that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account to your Jotform. In the below, you can check this. After that, now I am going to the login page of my Jotform account. So here you can see this is my Jotform account where I have already created one form by the name of Next Wave Solution. Here I am going to edit this form. You can see this is the form that I have already created before. After that, I'm going to click on the settings option where I'm going to click on this integrations option. You can see it will provide you one option that is webhooks. When you click on it, here I'm going to make a new connection. For that, I'm going to remove this integration. After that, I'm searching webhook here. Then select this. You can see it will provide you one field that is add webhook. Here I am going to paste that webhook URL. After that, I am going to click on this complete integration button. You can see our integration is completed. After that, for testing this, you have to click on this publish option. Here I am going to copy this form link. After that, I am going to click on a new tab and open this form. Here I am going to again fill all the details, that is the name as test user, gender, test contact number, email address and the company name. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. Here you can see our form is successfully submitted. After that, now we will check our flow. See, we have received the response 3 seconds ago. That means our Pabbly Connect account is successfully connected to our Jotform. We have received all the details that we were shared while filling the form. Now in the next, I am going to add my action application as Gmail, as I want to send one instant mail to my user's Gmail account. For that, I'm clicking on this plus option and searching the application as Gmail. Here I select it. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection. For that, I am clicking on this add new connection. After that, you have to sign in with Google. Here you can see it will ask me for the permission. For that, I am going to click on this continue button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, you have to write the sender name in the sender name field. So I am entering it. That is Next Wave Solution. After that, the sender email address is automatically selected. After that, in this recipient email address, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have got from my Jotform account. For that, I am clicking on it. Here you can see it will provide me the response. I am searching email address. See, here I have mapped. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation, because it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data, that is email address, name, etc. So for capturing the data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, these fields are not required fields, so I am leaving this blank. Here I am going to write the email subject in this email subject field, that is book your personalized product demo with Next Wave Solutions. After that, in this email content box, I am going to write the content of my email. Here I write, you can see I write this content in HTML format. You can also write the content in the plain format. After that, here I want to add my username after this hi. For that, I am again going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my Jotform form submission. That is the name as test user. Here I have done. After that, you have to select the email content type. As I created this content in the form of HTML, so I am going to select this. You can also generate your HTML content by clicking on this link below. After that, in this labels option, I select as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with, then you can write the file names in this field and also attach the URL here. Now this is also not a required field, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account. See, I have received one mail from the Next Wave Solution that includes all the data that we have written in the email content field. This means that my Gmail account is is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, now whenever any new form submission can be done through my JotForm account, then automatically one mail will be sent to the Gmail account of my users, which includes their name and their details. After that, I want to store their details into my Google Sheet. For that, I am again clicking on this plus option where I am going to search my app as Google Sheet. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as add new row. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection, so I am selecting this add new connection. After that, I am signing with Google. Here you can see it will ask me to provide the permission, so I am going to click on this continue button. See, my Google Sheet account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, here I am going to select my spreadsheet as registration details. As soon as I select this spreadsheet, you can see automatically all the fields will be added here, that is the first name, last name, phone number, email and the company name. Now I am going to show you this sheet. So this is the sheet that I already created before by the name of registration details, which includes the columns such as first name, last name, phone number, email address and the company name. Now I am going to my workflow. Here I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application. That is in this first name field, I am going to map my user's first name. After that, in this last name field, I am going to map the last name, then the contact number. Next, the email address. After that, the company name. So here I have mapped all the fields. Now I am going to click on the save and send test request button. See, we have got the positive response. Now we will check our sheet that a new row will be added or not. See, a new row will be added into our Google Sheet, which includes all the details, first name, last name, phone number, email address and the company name. That means our automation is working perfectly. After that, you have to click on the save button. Here you can see our automation is saved successfully. Now with the help of this automation, whenever a new form submission can be done through your JotForm, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account, which includes their details and also store their information into your Google Sheet. And that will done with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then you can feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this workflow with your friends. For sharing this workflow, you have to click on this three dots and click on this share option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. This automation will not only save your time but also give instant response to your users without you doing any manual efforts, and that will only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.